Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Definitely a little bit cooler out there for our Tuesday afternoon and evening. Feels really nice.
As it should on October 6th. Here's Jason Stiff now with a look at our forecast.
Yeah, when we're 3 months away or less from the new year, we're not that far away from winter. We just started autumn. It should be feeling a little bit cooler. We're starting to get there. We're still above average, but we have a big cool down coming. It's also nice to have a little bit more blue sky. Now, we still have more than our fair share of haze and smoke, but it's going the right direction. Unfortunately, we have some of that smoke actually still pouring into the sky, heading toward the coast itself, but it is getting a little bit clearer around the valley, and we're going to have bigger changes that mean much bigger changes in both our air quality and hopefully our rain gauge amounts coming up in just a few days. Right now, Chico, still hazy sunshine, 91 degrees. The wind out of the south at 6 miles an hour. Smokier also around Redding, but better than it was air quality-wise a few days ago. Also 91 degrees. A little bit hotter in Red Bluff. Still hazy outside. 92. South wind at 5 miles an hour. Oroville, currently checking in with the hottest temperature in the region at 93 degrees. Again, the wind not very strong, but that's going to be picking up later in the forecast, and a weather pattern shift will give us a chance for some wet weather. It's not here yet, though. Tomorrow, similar to today, we'll have more hazy, dry, and warm weather with lower 80s to lower 90s for highs on your Wednesday. The wind won't be very strong, mainly between 5 and 10 miles an hour. So the fire danger itself between moderate and high, mainly because things are still so tinder dry, but we do have some cooler weather coming our way. Right now, it's 79 in Mount Shasta, 93 degrees in Corning, 82 degrees in Chester, and 84 degrees in Alturas. No one has strong wind right now, but about 5 days that's going to pick up. Also, our relative humidity is low right now, but that too is going to increase when we have a weather pattern shift just a few days away. No clouds outside, it's just all the smoke, especially over far northwestern California. But looking at FUTURECAST, you can see the first hint of the changes occurring about 36 to 48 hours out. Tomorrow, again, fairly similar to today, but by Thursday, increasing clouds. No good chance for any wet weather on Thursday, but by late Friday into Saturday, 2 different areas of low pressure will start moving our way. The first one kind of misses to the south. It'll give us a chance for some light rain, but not much is going to fall. The best chance for actual widespread light to moderate amounts of rain is going to be here on Saturday into Sunday, the first real rain that we've had since the middle of June. Now, most lower elevation locations have a good chance of between about 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch. All the areas in green, the higher elevations between 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches of rain. The highest elevations of our northern mountains between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain. So it's going the right way for us, but the actual rain will not arrive until late Friday, if not this coming weekend. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Similar to today, we'll have lots of smoke for the northern mountains. Temperatures suppressed because of that, but we'll still be in the lower 80s for the Sierra. We'll also have upper 70s and lower mid 80s tomorrow. Some hazy, smoky sunshine, not too much wind, but we'll have cooler weather coming for the ridge. Expecting more 70s and 80s for highs tomorrow afternoon with lots of smoke in the air, but still more blue sky than we've had for a while. And for the valley tonight, we'll have lows mainly in the lower 50s. Highs not quite as hot tomorrow afternoon. We'll be in the lower 90s for your Wednesday. For the Chico area, we'll have lows also in the mild 50s. Daytime highs in the mid to upper 80s and lower 90s, but then it really starts to change. Look at that 7-day forecast in Chico. Tomorrow, 87 degrees, 80 on Thursday, dropping down to the upper 60s for highs on Saturday. That's the most likely day for some wet weather, but also a slight chance for some showers on Friday afternoon and evening too. And for Redding, we go from the 90s to the 80s to the 70s, then back down to the 60s on Saturday. We're going to climb away from there back into the 70s and 80s, but a good chance for rain on Saturday and a slight chance late Friday and early Sunday.
Good news.